Good morning, family, kinfolk, fellow gardeners, and all of the family. This morning we're going to be, as you know, along with the gardening, we also have a nonprofit still in its infancy right now. Well, we've been doing it a while, and recently was given the idea to, uh, develop it into a nonprofit instead of just doing it for profit. Even though we're doing it like to not gain profit, you at least want to be recognized and get taxes of all the money you're spending. So we're not making it a nonprofit to some kind of way get paid by any means. But after speaking with a colleague, I definitely thought it may be a good idea. So along with the gardening channel, you will be seeing occasional bird videos. So the nonprofit is, the synonyms for it is, and while I'm talking, y'all can see when I'm opening up, it's called a Thistle seed sock. There it is. I'm getting used to this recording and creating content, so it's all love if you're bearing with me. I definitely appreciate the love. But yeah, so the name of the nonprofit is BBF, Biloxi Bird Feeders. I have a team with my family in Atlanta that does it also. So they're a part of the nonprofit, which is Biloxi Bird Feeders. But their synonyms will be ABF, Atlanta Bird Feeders, of the Biloxi Bird Feeders. Okay, so moving right along, we're hanging this Thistle sock today. Nothing major, nothing grand. Oh, I was probably backwards, ain't it? I don't know, but it says Thistle seed sock. I'll read it for you guys. A flavorful blend, highly nutritious seed to attract all colorful finch species. Premium bird food. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we, of course, have a bird feeder hanging. We have one close to the land we're on, which is the library. We have one on the West Biloxi Library property. We also hung one about 3 days ago across the street at the like the Walmart has a big field in front of it. So we hung one at the Walmart. And I've been checking it the last 3 days. They haven't found it yet. So I'm gonna be a little more patient, give them a chance to see if they might find it. If not, we'll probably move it a little further since we already have two within this 2-mile radius. So we might have to just move it somewhere else because they probably not gonna go to that one to even, be able to discover it because they know where the food at. All right. Oh, guys. I'll show y'all in a minute. Let me stick to the subject. Well, we're hanging this Thistle sock. So if y'all would, 1 second. If I get this on record, I apologize, you guys. I'll be right back. Like I said, bear with me. I'm getting used to creating this content. Been definitely gardening and bird feeding for a while, but actually creating content, like documenting myself doing it, I'm getting used to it, but have to definitely stick to it. So if y'all would stick with me, bear with me, be with me, I definitely appreciate it. And that's all love. But I have another camera here set up, which I'm trying to get on record, and it's giving me a little hard time. Let's see. Just a sec, device dashboard. Well, moving right along. That'll just be a fail for today, because I don't want to fail you guys. But I'm back. But yeah, if you guys would, wish me luck, say a prayer, cross your fingers, all that good stuff. That they choose to love this. And as well, that we don't get robbed. When I say robbed, if you're not a out on the land type of person, I'm pretty sure the people who used to be out on land, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. But when I say robbed, I'm talking about those robbing raccoon burglars. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing, because I'm going to assume y'all already have. And only like it if you love it. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all, because I see y'all seeing me, and I can see through the TV.